Hi guys, I don't know if anyone still needs this, but I thought since Monica does such a wonderful job with her how-to videos, I thought I would do it just in case we needed it still. So when you open up the link, sorry, my cat is crying in the background. When you open up the link, it's going to take you to the second grade main idea assignment, and what you're going to do is go up to, first thing, File, make a copy, entire presentation. So File, make a copy, entire presentation. And when this little guy comes up, I usually say take off the copy of, and I put Miss Beam's second grade main idea, just so then it's easy for me to find. So once I change that part, I say okay, and then it is going to take me to my own slideshow for my kids. So once I do that, I go to my Google Classroom, and I'm going to create my assignment, and this will be for Friday. So this is ELA for when is that? For 17. And then I'm just going to put Friday. The instructions, you can put whatever you want. I'm going to add from my Google Drive. I'm going to find my main idea assignment that says Miss Beams right here. I'm going to click it. And then I can see it says Miss Beams second grade main idea. I'm going to click this little selection thingamajig, and I want to do make a copy for each student. And then you can go ahead and schedule it for Friday. And that's all you have to do. I hope this helps. And again, I don't know if anybody really needs it, but I thought I would try to make a video to be like